Tell me when it's out of ammo and I'll hit it again.
Alright, you hit it up.
And I mean...
It's just...
I'm just trying to get to the opposite side that you're on.
There goes out of ammo.
I'm just reloading.
Throwing cards at it. Oh shit. Oh, I will save thee. In the car.
5 years ago it was.
Right, I'm going into custody, boys.
Not if I can help it.
I'm alright. I'm gonna need first aid kit. I need different skills. Well,
What the fuck was that?
Oh, you guys are down.
A taser stunned me and I downed everyone.
Look who's in that old familiar position now, guys. You're all down. I am the king. Haha. Don't fucking shoot with an RPG. You gonna seriously? I'm down as well. Wow. Nah.
Oh, what happened there, guys?
Really?
That's being tased.
Alright. It's in the opposite bedroom floor. Nathan's at the fucking start. I don't know though. He's going down. Harvey left again. Sorry, I'm making dance some more. He's dancing. Right, you might want to get out. I bet he feels the twat, you know, he looks down as he's jumping, he just sees the fire. He knows he's fucked.
That's look before you leap, kids. That's right. Look at this. Look at this.
Jar Jar Binks.
This is unrealistic body expectations for men. I cannot just be a lower abdomen and nothing else. Right? It's putting pressure on you men.
Making them join the sex trade or some shit like that.
Exactly. You're gonna get some new forms of anorexia with this shit where people like saw off bits to look like that. That's just
I can't just be a lower ab.
I got the cloaker.
Fucking nigger dick. Looks like you're back now. What's that? I'm down.
Fucking Paul Blart, fucking Morcop.
No cameras today, mate. I got caught. Right, I'm gonna open all the crates and look at the disappointment. Wow, there's one machine here. One machine here. Still, I already found 3 machines. 4 machines. 5. What even is this RNG? No, I'm kidding, there's not. I was like 2 in the first room. Ching, ching. This is how you play Nedge's urban warehouse robbery. Get yourself a decent quality gun, find a warehouse, and you ram raid it. The more dickheads you kill, the higher you score. Simple. Don't get caught. Don't get caught. I said don't get caught. Still, do you want to I've got crowbar, I'm kill it. Too slow, bozo. Tell me if you can see any. Tell me if you can see any vote machines in that place when you're out of trouble. Fucking. You're a bozo, Steel. Do you know that, right? Fucking credits! This is the golden one, Steel, alright? This next one is the world. I can feel it, right? You know why? Because last time I did it, I only got 2, and the next time I got 6. But I might have to kill somebody still. I can't confirm. I cannot unconfirm yet. Did he see you or did he hear the putting machine getting rigged? Throw out the window and I'll get it in a second. Wait. There's a cop coming. There's a cop coming. Don't throw it. What's this? Shit, Paul Blart meme cop. Yeah, I could shoot that window right now, but I don't want to. Throw it, I'll catch it.
Hey.
What are you doing? Custom meme, what you doing? Now it's time for me to go to that point where I have to unbox all these machines just to see how good our spawns actually were. One there. Alright. I said $1, not a sandwich, you bitch. Alright, calm down, crazy old
All right, plan B.
You've been made. Damn, this is gonna get messy. Just keep hacking.
Storm us any
I'll
second.
think of something.
Nice eyeballs, man. Shooting your two unsuppressed, just stable barreled.
That's the alarm, guys. Somebody help Huntston. That's the alarm, guys. It's on now.
Alright.